concrete representation, 2 out of 5 times 3 out of 4. We have a square paper, and this is one whole. We will be folding this paper into 4 equal parts. Using a marker, we're going to draw lines to divide this paper into 4 equal parts. And so now we're going to use this paper to represent 3 out of 4. This is 3 out of 4. I'm going to divide this paper into 5 parts. So dividing 3 out of 4 into 5 parts. Using the marker to divide 3 out of 4 into 5 parts. So for 1 out of 4, there are 5 parts there, and I'm going to shake 2 parts of these 5 parts for 1 out of 4. And I'm going to do the same for the subsequent parts. And we'll be shading 6 parts. And so, what is this 6 parts? Out of the 1 whole, and this will be 6 out of 20. Pictorial representation using bar models. Over here we have 3 out of 4. And what is 2 out of 5 of 3 out of 4? That means we are going to divide each bar unit into 5 parts. And what is 2 out of 5? This is 2 out of 5. And we are going to do the same for all the rest. 3 out of 4. And so we have 2 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 times. And what is this? Out of 1 whole. That means I have to divide this into 5 parts as well. And we have 6 out of 20. 2, 4, 6 out of 20. 2 out of 5 of 3 out of 4 refers to 2/5 of 3 out of 4, which is mathematically expressed as 2 out of 5 times 3 out of 4. And we know that 2 out of 5 times 3 out of 4 is equivalent to 3 out of 4 times 2 out of 5. So how do we represent this mathematically? 2 out of 5 times 3 out of 4. We will multiply both the numerators. 2 times 3, that will be 6. And multiply the two denominators. 5 times 4, that will be 20. And this will give you 6 out of 20. We have to simplify the fraction 6 out of 20. And this will give us 3 out of 10. We can also perform cancellation before multiplying the fractions so that it simplifies the fractions, making it easier to obtain the solution in the simplest form. So how do we do that? So we're going to cancel 2 and 4 because they have a common factor. And this will give us 1 in place of 2 and 2 in place of 4. And multiplying both the numerators 1 and 3, you get 3, both the denominators 5 and 2, you get 10. And this is the answer, 3 out of 10.